this most pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. Such scenes here, a sea of team colours, songs ringing down from the stands. The tone is set for the 90 minutes ahead. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Yeah, Romelu Lukaku, his physical characteristics are very impressive. They're always likely to attract the most attention, of course, but for me, it's not just that he's big and he's quick, it's his willingness to go direct with the ball at his feet, to take his man on, be brave and just head for goal. That's what makes him quite lethal.
Well, quite no argument from me on that one. Things have got on the way here pretty promptly. De Bruyne. Forwards and with intent. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. And it's Lukaku. Now De Bruyne. And here's Lukaku.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Lang. McTominay. Moved on forwards. And he's on a charge. Lang. Oh, a lovely bit of skill. Towering header! Big moment! Massive goal!
Well, they would have been looking at him to produce the goods, and that was very kind of him to oblige so early.
Lovely header, but really it was all about the delivery.
Yeah, he makes those runs with great stealth and a ghost-like arrival to get his head to the ball.
Napoli gain their reward with an early goal. Oh, that's a key interception. Di Lorenzo. Sporting already chasing the game. Long time to go.
Well, individual responsibility levels have to start kicking in to rescue things from what's been a bad start.
Sporting looking to pass their way through. He's through here. Now it's decent hits. There's no surprise who's taking this corner. Politano with the clearance. Challenged. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Oh, that's a booking, always looked in. Di Lorenzo. Politano. Cross to the back post. Lang! Into the pieces! And a second time! The referee has given a corner. a finish of the highest order. Two to the good. They have breathing space.
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
Napoli get themselves a two-goal cushion.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
De Bruyne. Napoli finding their passes.
Sporting really can't go chasing this game too soon. Any rash decisions now could see them lose it.
Aim forwards. No, that's been intercepted. And here's Lukaku.
Lukaku really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Away from immediate danger.
Well, that was well positioned and well pinched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
Suarez.
Yeah, I can see how the movement of those players up top, Peter, can cause some real problems for this defence.
Yeah, I was just about to say that, Jim, actually.
Yeah, it's all about the changing of roles, dropping deeper into midfield, and all designed to confuse defenders.
Chance to shoot. He's had a shot. Great effort, beautifully taken.
Ah, that's a great effort. There was very little backlift to indicate what was coming.
Proves too strong. McTominay. Trincao. Succumbs to the pressure. Now it's Lukaku. Gently done. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. And they're not going to make any further progress now. It's anyone's ball now. And that's another good win of the ball. And the whistle goes for half-time. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first-half success with another show of strength?
So we're just settling back into this second half.
Well, this half might require them to produce a plan A, B and C. Levelling the score is easier said than done, but that will be the target. Get back on terms and then use that momentum to go again.
Lobotka. And it's De Bruyne. For De Bruyne. Di Lorenzo. Passing is crisp and sharp. It's a good run down the left-hand side. Pinches it off him. Politano. Di Lorenzo. And that's a throw-in. Politano. Well, that is one way to stop him. Trincao. And they win it back again. De Bruyne. And Di Lorenzo. Politano. Looking for options for movement. Forward it goes.
Well, yet another interception and a show of anticipation to be commended.
And it's played forward. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Well read, nice interception. Lobotka. Politano. Has good running with the ball. Knocks it out wide. Oh, that's a vigorous challenge. Goes down, but nothing given. Some excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example. Di Lorenzo. Well, this man's contribution is, as you would expect, proving terrific.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because the rest of the team knows he can make his influence count at any stage. It's simply part of his package. When he really wants to, this fella scores.
Shifted upfield. No, he's not getting his way this time. Oh, that's well spotted. De Bruyne. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. McTominay. Lang. It's a promising run he's making on the right. Oh, that is a good ball to find him. Oh, he tries a shot! Oh, no, that could be a costly miss.
Yeah, this is part of the job. Head down and keep plugging away.
Chance! Now, has he got the beating of his marker here? Napoli have a free kick.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Going for goal! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. He has found the way through. Now, who's going to be first to this? Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. McTominay has found the net here, of course. Lang. And it's Lukaku. Just eases him off the ball. He's pulled him up for that challenge. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. Shapes to shoot! And yes, it's there! With so little time left, grandstand finish. That's no fluke, it's what he was there for.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great poaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
Sporting give themselves a chance of a fairy tale finish. Aim forwards. Gently done. And there goes the final whistle.